Alright guys, so we had thrown the Helwig sway bar on with the lift, and I touched on it just for a second, but didn't really give a good review on it. Had the truck lifted for about a week, and even before the lift, I mean, the truck ran good, it felt good, no issues, but you know, it did have a little body roll on turns. You could feel it in the back end, you know, if you're getting on a merge ramp or, you know, coming on the highway, you could feel a little bit of squishiness, but not a lot. I just read tons of reviews on the Helwig, and basically all the Amazon reviews, everything that I saw, just said it's amazing. And you know, even on third-party sites, not just Helwig's site. So anyway, got one of those. We put it on with the lift. I noticed a huge difference. They actually put it in the furthest from the axle hole. There's 3 settings on that bar, and I guess which is the least amount of firmness. And man, I could tell immediately, even with the lift, it felt like it was on rails. I mean, you go around a turn, you get on the highway, there just was very little body roll, and like I said, it just felt like it was on tracks. And of course, the Nitto ridge grapplers do help with the thicker sidewalls, you know, 10-12 ply tires. So all of those things make a huge difference, but I did recognize a big difference in it. And so I thought, well, I want to see what that middle hole does. I want to bring it up one more, firm it up a little bit, and see how it drives. I moved it up to the middle hole, and man, it's awesome. I don't think I'll move it again. I don't think it needs to be any more firm than that, but I'm not seeing any body roll. Haven't pulled anything. We're going to do some tests on this truck. We're going to pull some trailers and put some real weight on it and see how it does. But overall, very impressed with the Helwig bar. It's a very sturdy bar. The factory bar is hollow and it's lightweight. I mean, you pull this thing out of the box, it's thick, it's solid, you know it's there, and you'll see the difference. We're gonna get into the truck. I want to show you the adjustable links also that come with it. I mean, that makes a huge difference also. And you know, from everything I read, there's 2 bars for these 5th gen trucks. There's one for like 0 to 2 inches, I think, and then one for like 2 to 4 inches of lift. So depending on what size lift you get, you need to look at what bar you're going to order. Go to Helwig's site. They got drop down boxes. You can plug in what it is, and then it'll tell you the part numbers. So anyway, we'll get into the truck. We'll show you what we got, and I'll show you the settings and what I moved. All right guys, so we're under the truck. You can see right here, there's 3 holes on this Helwig bar that you can make an adjustments on. I think the closest to the axle is the firmest, and the one to the outside is the least, I guess. And these adjustable links right here are really stout, really nice looking links. What you're trying to do is you want that sway bar to be a little bit above level, is my understanding, in your normal everyday operation. So you can bring that up and down, adjust those in. It's got some anti-slide where it won't slide in the mounts. It's just a very stout sway bar, and I haven't pulled anything, but from what I've read, they say when you pull something, it basically takes the sway out big time. So I'm sure with the weight distribution hitch and that, pretty nice. But that's what it looks like installed. Appreciate you watching the video. Please hit the like down at the bottom, hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.